We're making vegan hemp cookies. They're really quick, they're really simple, and they're really healthy for you. The key ingredient is some dark chocolate, some almond meal, and we have some ground hemp seeds, which are really high in edestin protein, absorb into your body really quick, but they've also got a really lovely nutty flavor. Simple, everything goes in a bowl, mix it up in a mosh pit, bake it off, cookies done. There's only 1 or 2 steps. Basically, you mix it all together, you bake it off, and you eat it. So that's 3 steps. The third step's my favorite. So we have some almond meal as a base. So this is gluten-free, this is vegan. We're using some maple syrup for sweetness. So you can add as much or as little as you want. But you know, the key ingredient is dark, beautiful, rich chocolate and these beautiful hulled hemp seeds, which are creamy. They're nutty, they're super high in omega-3s and edestin protein, which is a real mouthful, but it's great for you, your body absorbs it. And they've just become legal in Australia, so I thought I'd give it a whirl and play with them. So into a bowl, everything goes. You've got some oil in there to make sure when you bake it, the cookies are sort of tender and moist. And then we have some sweetness from maple syrup. And then that chocolate is gonna melt. And basically, you know, everything binds together and bakes. And it's almost gonna be like a shortbread cookie. So it's crumbly with hot chocolate, it's sweet, and then you get a really nice sort of creamy crunch texture from the hemp seeds. It's a really lovely recipe. So the vibes now is I've set my oven to 180 degrees and I've just mixed everything up. So this is our cookie batter, just like that.
It's that easy.
It's that simple.
No eggs or anything?
No eggs, no milk.
No mess?
No mess.
Oh, except for that.
So I'm just gonna wet my hands. They're clean, it's gonna stop anything from sticking on there. And now I'm just gonna mold these guys and then just put them on a baking tray. To make sure that the cookie dough doesn't stick to your hands, just, you know, splash them with a bit of water, and because there's oil in there, it just means that it won't stick. All the cookies should stay exactly where they need to go, and that's in the cookie. Okay, so in the oven, going to take about 9 to 10 minutes. They're going to be dark on the outside, golden on top, and really flaky. And that chocolate's gonna melt. And I'm telling you right now, when I first tested this recipe, I just couldn't stop eating them. It's been about 10 minutes and these cookies are ready to go. The chocolate is melted. Oh, I can't wait to eat. These smell so good. I mean, look at that. Perfect. Vegan chocolate hemp cookies. And there's no better way to eat cookies than with some homemade hemp milk. Both these recipes are on the website. Check out hempel.com, check out Bond Harvest, subscribe, share the love. We'll see you next week. Ew.